A wise man once said, every man should own a Swiss Army knife. Not a fidget spinner, not a military knife, not even this or that. A Swiss Army knife. Van Neistat, a spirited man, inspired me to make this knife and this episode. This knife has been with me for years already, but it never felt like my own knife. Make sure you make a design before actually doing it. It reduces the chances of making a mistake for about 1%. Here are the tools that you will be needing: a Zippo lighter, a lanyard, a sewing kit, and a Dremel. You would need good light for this. I used a pencil to mark down the design or the initials of my name. It reduces the chances of mistakes too by about 3%. I use this bit for a finer and deeper engraving. It's definitely not perfect, but that's what makes it mine. Or yours. I don't know what I'm saying. Date, date, date. Van Neistat. Can't say it enough. Date everything. Van Neistat uses paint. I use a case-mate metallic marker. Gold, of course. I just smudge it real good. Then I wipe it down to make sure only the letters get the gold color. This lanyard has to go. It's cheap, and it doesn't have the character. Now this is a lanyard. Burn down the edges to make it smoother. Smooth. Don't forget the other end. Never been good at sewing. Well, doesn't need to be pretty, I guess. As long as it holds, as long as it lasts for years. There you have it. A perfectly personalized Swiss Army knife. Engravings to make it beautiful, and a lanyard to take it out of your pocket easily. This Swiss Army knife has 2 blades and a bottle opener or a corkscrew.